Type of electric vehicle charging connectors. There are four types of plugs, two of which are used for alternating current, AC, and can be charged with 43 kilowatts. The other is used for direct current, DC, which can charge 350 kilowatts quickly. There are two types of AC plugs. Type 1 is a single-phase plug, which is the standard configuration of electric vehicles in the United States and Asia. It allows you to charge the car at a speed of up to 7.4 kilowatts. Type 2 plugs are three-phase plugs because they have three extra wires to let the current through. As a result, they can charge your car faster. In China, the maximum charging power is 22 kilowatts, while the maximum charging power of public charging stations can reach 43 kilowatts, which also depends on your car's charging power and grid capacity. There are two types of plugs for DC charging. CHAdeMO. This fast charging system was developed in Japan, which can achieve very high charging capacity and bidirectional charging. CCS. CCS plug is an enhanced type of Type 2 plug with two additional power contacts for rapid charging. It supports AC and DC charging. It allows charging at speeds up to 350 kilowatts.